Hi guys, happy Sunday evening. I hope you've all had a wonderful weekend. I have enjoyed my weekend with my husband now that he's home and on the mend. He's upstairs relaxing, and I have been Florence Nightingale since he's come home, which is actually pretty funny because in school, oh God, I forget what grade it was in, they did a play. We did a play. And they made me Florence Nightingale. And because of my anxiety, I wasn't remembering. Well, I remembered the lines. I just wasn't remembering because you panic, right? And so the night, I wasn't remembering which paw. There was an animal that supposedly they brought to her and she saved this animal, whatever. Which paw I was supposed to mend. And it was the night of the play. And I had made the mistake over and over and over again. And I was panicking so badly. But remember, back then they thought it was just, I was super shy. I was panicking so badly and tears are running down my face, and the audience can't see me because they I was like this to them. And I grabbed the stuffed toy's tail instead of a paw. I grabbed its tail. Anyway, okay, so I'm telling you that because, hopefully he'll make it through. He made it through being at the hospital. He just may not make it through with me being his nurse. Anyway, I'm going to try something different tonight. This is, I don't know if it's been done. I didn't think to look it up. Maybe I should have. But anyway, so if I'm stepping on anybody's toes, I'm really sorry. I thought I would try bottle pot bottom pour with resin instead of acrylic with resin and see how that turns out. And the colors we're going to use, we're going to cover the board with jet black. And this isn't one of my boards from my guide. This is one of the boards that I make my handle trays out of. I don't think I'll put handles on this one. We'll see how it turns out. I'm definitely going to put feet on it though. The nice feet, because this is going to be in Christmas colors. Base coat, jet black. Then I am going to use the Bayberry as my Christmas green because that's so perfect for Christmas. I'm using the Niagara wine as the, not really red. I like, at Christmas time, I'm more into the metallics, like the burgundy, shiny burgundies and stuff instead of red. We're going to use, so that's Niagara wine. We're going to use freshwater pearl. And we are going to use goldenrod because I just love this gold. We're going to use goldenrod. Okay, so let's get started. We'll start by covering the board with the black, and then we are going to make 3 cups to pour, mixing and matching with these colors. Actually, let's do those first so I can move them out of the way. Okay? Okay. Yeah, you should be able to see it all. Okay, so this is the board. These are my 3 cups. What goes in first comes out last. Okay, let's start with a little bit of gold in each cup. Then we'll do some freshwater pearl. Then we will do the Niagara wine and go back to the gold. Oh, no, sorry, Niagara wine. Then the Bayberry. Then we will go back and do it all over again. Gold. There's a little bit left in the cup. I'm not sure if I'll need it. Freshwater pearl. Niagara wine. Bayberry. And actually I have some room, so I am going to do it one more time. By the way, I also made some new molds the other day that I just poured some clear in for the first time, so they won't come out perfect because, you know, they're going to pull out the dust and stuff of what I poured. I did different crystals. My daughter took me to a crystal store in Barrie, and I bought a few things and then decided to make molds out of them. Okay, these are our 3 cups. So I'm going to, I've got myself set up here for another set, Christmas set, and they're kind of in the way. Okay, let's get our black poured. This is our jet black. It's going to be our base coat. And we will heat this up a little bit and spread it around. I've taped the back of the board, but I haven't prepped this board, sealed it with anything. Getting all my black. Just want a nice thin base coat because I'm going to have those colors. I want my edges done. Good, we're good. Okay, there we go. So we've got our black base coat down. Now I'm going to put these bottle caps, bottle bottoms, back down. There we go. Okay, now I'm going to pour the 2 outsides first. Should I do it one at a time? One at a time. And it's doing its own thing. doing this in circles, like a ring pour, over top of the bottle bottom. It's kind of cool so far. See, a ring pour. Just like a ring pour, but over top of, then the colors, you know, you're not getting one color just coming out of the whole thing. You're getting even distribution. Resin is a lot more liquidy than doing it in acrylic, but then that being said, that's up to each person, because when I watch those who do the acrylic pours, everybody has their own thickness that they like in their paint. Some like it very, very thin, like water. Some like it to be a little bit thicker so it moves less. It's a personal choice, that is definitely for sure. And that's why it's so hard to tell people, you know, oh, I use this much of this and that much of that, because everybody has their own tastes. You're going to hear different recipes from everybody. Okay, so now we are moving way too much down here. Where is... Oh, we're way back here, are we? I need one more for under there. Yes? There. Okay. I'm going to lift these up now. And of course they're resin, so they're sticky. And this is kind of, well, it's unique. Not sure if I like it or not. You can't really see a lot of the Niagara wine, but let's add a little bit of heat to this and see what happens. My gold is breaking apart and giving me those nice little flakes. It looks like flakes of gold coming to the top as the rest sinks to the bottom. It's actually kind of cool. Hold on, guys. Pardon, baby? In 1 minute, okay, hon? I'll be there in 1 minute. So Mr. Strachan has been feeling a little, and you know, they told him he needs to get up and walk around, and so he drives me, because I don't have my license anymore. He drives me to Timmy's, and he drives me to the grocery store, and I get what we need. It's been a lot of, well, it's been interesting, but it's really been a really wonderful bonding moment. As long as we're not killing each other, we're doing great. Okay, guys, what I may do, I'm going to leave this here right now. And what I may do is add a little bit of glitter to it when it's stickier. I don't want the glitter to spread out. And well, you know it well while it's still moving. So when it's set a little bit, I will come down and do some glitter. We're getting some really interesting designs. So let's bring you down, and you can see, if I don't pop you out, you can see what it is doing and what it looks like. It is actually kind of cool. I'm not sure. Not vibrant colors. I wish they had been a little, but I guess when you do them like acrylic, you're taking the chance that they do blend together too much, right? But it's kind of cool. It's kind of interesting. We got some action happening. Really cool. And these are, you won't see them till tomorrow, but these are the new molds that I made with different gemstones, different crystals, sorry. Okay, so there we go, guys. When you see this tomorrow, it may have some glitter added into it. I actually may even go with the red glitter so that it brings out some more of the wine color, because you can definitely see the green and the gold. You can see the freshwater pearl is the nice shimmer, but I have lost the Niagara wine, except for right in here. So we'll see if some red, the deep red glitter, the ruby red that I have, brings it out. Okay, so I'm putting you back down. Taking the chance that I drop you into my resin. Okay, my friends, thank you very much for joining me tonight. I really do hope you had a wonderful weekend, and I hope you got your art on. And remember, I'm here if you need me for anything. Got any questions, just ask. Our new fall and winter colors are ordered. They will be here in September. I'm just not sure how much we're going to have. So I've put them up on the website, which you know I never do this. So you can pre-order them. That way, if you really want them, you can get them, order them now. I'll number each one of your orders, first, second, third, fourth, as they come in, and you can get your fall and winter colors. They're in there separately, or I've done up sets. Go take a peek at the website, Resin Pigment Canada. Okay, guys, have a great night. Bye.